Good morning, class. Now we'll be discussing analytics in sales and operation planning. So this is a part of your unit number 4 of the paper supply chain analytics. So what is sales and operation planning? Let us quickly discuss. So sales and operation planning is basically related to alignment or integration of all the departments like the demand planning, like the supply chain operations and supply chain management and the financial management as well. So integration and alignment of all these departments to create a better cohesive strategy across the whole organization is what is meant by sales and operation planning. Okay, so why we need sales and operation planning? Because we want to have a balanced demand and supply. Okay, only when the sales and operations are working together in a cohesive manner, then only it is possible to have a balanced demand and supply. Okay. Also, we want to enhance the business performance. So, strategic plan of all the different department needs to be brought together and aligned in such a way that it enhances the operations, enhances the operational efficiency of the whole enterprise as a whole. Okay. Also, we want to increase the visibility, flexibility across all the organization and collaboration among all these departments, right? So, we want to have a sales and operation planning in such a way that it also reduces the risk. It helps in managing the risk and it increases the responsiveness of the organization to the dynamic changing this dynamic market, right? Okay, so now what is the role of analytics in the sales and operation planning? So analytics, if we use analytics in the organization in the sales and operation planning, we can have a better forecast. We can have a better demand forecast, right? With the help of data, we can help, um, we can have a data driven decision making. We can use the data, real time data feeds and all the predictive modeling and all these things in the decision making, right? Also, the inventory can be optimized if we use the data analysis in the organization, because you know there are softwares like inventory management system which collects the uses the real time data and analytics in order to maintain the ideal stock in that location, right? Also, pre-handed, what we can do is we can have some scenario analysis where we can like test all the, we can stress test and we can use all this to test uh, and plan for any contingencies, right? So this is the very role of analytics in sales and operations. Okay, next is, now we'll be discussing how analytics can help the organization excel or compete in relation to its customers, in relation to its competitors. So the very first thing is, if the organization is using data analytics, then it can have a differentiated service level. It can have a differentiated or service level differentiation can be provided. Okay, so differentiation service level means the customer can be provided with the customization or tailor-made service. Okay, so the each of the customer can be provided with some of the unique facility, or the or his requirement can be fulfilled as per his needs. Okay, so the varying needs and values can be provided to the different customer segments. You know that Amazon, it provides the prime services. Okay, so the customer who comes for the this prime services, they are provided with a differentiated service level, value added services, है ना, कि delivery can be provided within the same day, within 2 hours or whatever, है ना. तो इस तरह की जो डिफरेंशिएटेड सर्विस जो मिलती है ना, लाइक फ्लिपकार्ट इज प्रोवाइडिंग द वीआईपी कार्ड्स एंड ऑल दीज सर्विसेज. सो what the business does, if the business is using analytics, then it can segment its customer कि कौन से उनके प्राइम कस्टमर है, और जो प्राइम और की कस्टमर है ना, उनको वो डिफरेंशिएटेड सर्विस लेवल प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव दोज डेटा एंड दे can use those, right? So in that way it can excel, the organization can excel as compared to its organization, its competitors, right? So this is what the first point means. Tailored service levels can be provided to specific products and customers in order to serve the dynamic markets. Okay. Also in order to satisfy the customer, to gain his loyalty, and also open opportunities for the premium pricing. You know, जब आपको इस तरह की प्राइम सर्विसेज मिलती है तो you have to pay some price. That is what. तो आप कंपनी को क्या मौका मिल गया? प्रीमियम प्राइस कमाने का मौका मिल गया, राइट? Then next is impact on planning. So it has an impact on planning also. अगर आप differentiated service level is basically it directly influences the inventory management, है ना? आप अगर डिफरेंशिएटेड सर्विस लेवल प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो, मींस कस्टमाइजेशन का मौका दे रहे हो, तो इन्वेंट्री भी उसी अकॉर्डिंग मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप इफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विस की यू कैन प्रिंट फोटो इन योर कुशन और इन योर टी शर्ट, तो क्या होता है कि टी शर्ट इज ऑल रेडी, बट द फोटो एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स नीड टू बी like received from the customer, है ना? उसके बाद ही that will be ready. तो accordingly, this is what they are saying कि accordingly the inventory is managed, है ना? If the organization is maintaining this providing this tailored service level, then accordingly inventory manage होता है. तो इसमें भी there is vital role of the data analytics, right? Next is operational efficiency. Operational efficiency is also being you have to strategically align the service level with the value proposition of the product and preferences of the customer segments, right? So what the organization can do is organization can streamline its operation to reduce the waste and also achieve higher profitability. So sales and operation need to be streamlined and aligned. Okay. तो एक तो ये फायदा हो गया डेटा एनालिटिक्स यूज करने का कि आप डिफरेंशिएटेड सर्विस लेवल दे सकते हो, ठीक है? उसके बाद